Traveling is all about adventure, exploration, and creating unforgettable memories. But the right gadgets can make the journey smoother, safer, and even more enjoyable. Whether you're jet-setting across the globe or heading out on a weekend getaway, having the right tools at your fingertips can make all the difference. In this video, we're showcasing the 10 best travel gadgets you must have. Thoroughly tested picks designed to keep you connected, organized, and stress-free, no matter where your journey leads. When it comes to essential travel gadgets, staying connected tops the list. And that's where the Newman Air Global 5G mobile Wi-Fi shines. This powerful little device redefines on-the-go internet with ultra-fast 5G speeds, delivering seamless downloads, uploads, and video calls, no matter where your travels take you. It's 15 times faster than traditional 4G, with minimal delay, ensuring you're never stuck with sluggish connections. Plus, when 5G isn't available, it smartly switches to rapid 4G networks, keeping you online without missing a beat. Designed for global adventurers, it supports 16 simultaneous device connections and taps into over 50 countries' 5G networks, and more than 350 global operators through cloud SIM technology. No physical SIM card or expensive roaming fees required. Need local rates? Simply pop in a SIM card for even more flexibility. Thanks to Wi-Fi 5 support and dual 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz bands, it handles crowded environments effortlessly, while its 5,400 mAh battery keeps you powered for hours and can even top off your phone when needed. Safety is another win, offering encrypted, secure browsing to protect you from sketchy public Wi-Fi. The Newman Air is easy to set up and manage via its touchscreen and companion app, making it the perfect travel Wi-Fi gadget for city explorers, digital nomads, and off-grid adventurers alike. Now that you've locked down your travel Wi-Fi setup, it's time to think about your next must-have travel gadget, portable power. And just as important is how you carry it, which brings us to the Ruboka Power Station Travel Carrying Bag. Built to handle the rough and unpredictable conditions of travel, this rugged bag features a waterproof PU bottom, fireproof materials, and insulated compartments to keep your portable power station safe and secure. Whether you're storing cables, adapters, or small accessories, the spacious internal design and waterproof zippers ensure everything stays organized and protected. Carrying it is a breeze too, thanks to a padded handle and adjustable shoulder strap that make it perfect for any journey, from airport terminals to remote campsites. It's ideally sized for Jackery Portable Power Station Explorer models 500, 300, 240, and 160, and also fits some smaller portable generators. If you're a frequent camper, hiker, or road tripper, the Roboka Carrying Bag is an essential companion to protect your energy source wherever your adventures take you. After all, when it comes to travel gear, smart protection is just as important as smart power. Speaking of portable tech, the SpeechWare Travel Mic is a must-have for anyone who values clear, professional audio on the go. Designed for travelers and professionals alike, this compact microphone delivers exceptional sound quality, whether you're dictating notes, attending a conference call, or broadcasting on the move. It features SpeechWare's advanced Voicematic chipset, which ensures natural sound with auto gain control and voice equalization. The Travel Mic connects effortlessly to an external USB multi-adapter that doubles as a 4-port USB hub, making it an essential tool for those who need both portability and performance. With a rugged, travel-friendly case, it's the ideal companion for those who rely on precise, high-quality sound, whether on business trips or remote workdays. Moving on from top-notch sound on the go, it's time to think about having a tool that can handle whatever small fixes come your way while traveling. Enter the Metmo MultiDrive, the compact all-in-one tool that's designed to fit right into your travel bag. Whether you're adjusting your gear, making quick repairs on your devices, or tackling a DIY project during your trip, this sleek multi-tool has you covered. With interchangeable attachments like a precise cutting blade, a hardened scribe, and a screwdriver for small screws, it's the kind of versatile gadget every traveler needs. It's small enough to take anywhere and durable enough to handle the tasks that pop up unexpectedly on your adventures. When you're out on the road or trails with your Metmo MultiDrive in hand, you might find yourself needing to fix more than just gadgets. That's where the Hatto Minibike tire pump comes in. Small enough to fit in your pocket, but powerful enough to get you back on track. Weighing just 0.56 pounds, it's the perfect travel companion for cyclists and adventurers alike. Whether you're fixing a flat tire on your bike or simply inflating your e-bike tires while on the go, this compact pump ensures you're never left stranded. And just like the Metmo MultiDrive, it's designed for convenience and portability, making it ideal for anyone who values efficient gear on their travels. Speaking of convenience, if you're a gamer and need to capture your on-the-go gaming moments, then you need the AverMedia Elite Go GC3 Pro. Whether you're traveling for work or just exploring new places, this device lets you stream and record your gameplay in stunning 1080p 60Hz quality on larger screens. This Type-C device makes gaming more flexible by letting you play on bigger screens and stream your content at the same time. Just plug your gaming device into the charging dock, and it instantly sends your gameplay to a 4K TV through HDMI, while also connecting to your laptop for recording or streaming. Setting up is straightforward. One click starts recording your gaming sessions in crisp 1080p 60Hz quality. The dock also keeps your devices powered up with fast PD 3.0 charging, so you never have to pause mid-game. Want to move from your home setup to a friend's place or to any place when traveling around the world? The GC3 Pro adapts to wherever you go, providing interchangeable adapters for use in North America, EU, and UK, and working smoothly with handheld consoles, phones, and displays. Plus, its built-in protection keeps all your connected devices safe while charging. For gamers looking to share their best moments or enjoy games on a bigger screen, this device handles the technical parts so you can focus on what matters, the gameplay. Explore the great outdoors with your furry friend in tow with the Wildgogo Pet Carrier. Ideal for camping, hiking, or biking, this carrier is designed for pet owners who love adventure. Its expandable and foldable design offers flexibility, transforming into a spacious home on the go, giving pets plenty of room to stretch and relax. Safety is a key feature here, especially with the built-in safety leash, safety belt buckles, and zipper locker that work like a child safety seat, securing your pet during car rides. Whether in the front or back seat, your pet stays safe while you focus on the road. For bikers and motorcyclists, the carrier is built to be sturdy yet ergonomic, ensuring both comfort and durability, while the waist buckle and adjustable shoulder strap make the backpack stable on the rider's back. There's enough space not just for your pet, but also for your belongings, with handy side pockets for supplies. Breathable mesh windows ensure proper ventilation and visibility, so you can always keep an eye on your pet. Its padded straps and waist buckle make it comfortable to carry, while the adjustable top opening lets your pet peek out and enjoy the view. Also, the reflective strip design guarantees you and your furry friend's safety in darkness. Designed for pets under 13 pounds, it offers the right balance of space, comfort, and security. Whether you're heading out for a weekend of camping or just running errands, the Wildgogo Pet Carrier keeps your pets safe and comfortable throughout the journey. Meanwhile, your personal care shouldn't take a back seat while traveling. The LifeWave electric toothbrush takes your brushing routine up a notch, combining vibration and oscillation to provide a thorough clean wherever you are. What makes this toothbrush special is how it cleans your teeth. It doesn't just vibrate like regular electric toothbrushes, but also sweeps side to side with 60-degree range, similar to how you'd naturally brush with your hand. This dual-action movement not only saves effort, but also perfectly aligns with the dentist-recommended brushing technique. Tests by SGS show it removes 6 times more plaque than standard electric toothbrushes. Plus, this brush comes with superfine bristles, measuring just 0.02 millimeters, that reach deep between your teeth while staying gentle on your gums. Besides the 3 adjustable levels on the toothbrush, you get complete control through the smartphone app, where you can customize everything from vibration strength to oscillation range, with over 1,000 combinations to find exactly what works for your teeth and gums. You can also adjust the brushing time from 2 to 5 minutes and enable the 30-second reminder. The toothbrush reminds you to move to different parts of your mouth every 30 seconds, making sure you clean thoroughly. Speaking of convenience, the magnetic charging system, similar to what you might have seen on Apple's products, gives you up to 30 days of use from just 2.5 hours of charging. So if you're a fan of travel-friendly electric toothbrushes, then you'll love the Blendy Pro Plus, your perfect companion for healthy, delicious drinks wherever you go. With 120 watts of power, the Blendy Pro Plus makes blending smoothies, crushing ice, and mixing protein shakes a breeze, all with the push of a button and no cords needed. It holds 17 ounces, giving you a generous serving for your favorite drinks. Plus, when you're done blending, it easily transforms into a water bottle with the extra pieces included, even forming a travel container for your ingredients. Charging takes just 5 hours, giving you up to 15 uses per charge. At only 1.6 pounds and 9 inches tall, the Blendy Pro Plus is compact and lightweight, perfect for taking to the gym, office, or on the go. Its tough blades handle frozen fruit and up to 6 ice cubes, so you never have to compromise on fresh, smooth drinks, no matter where life takes you. Keep your healthy habits on track with the Blendy Pro Plus. Convenient, powerful, and designed for your busy lifestyle. Enjoying the convenience of portable gadgets? Here's the Amither Moninocular telescope, which brings distant objects into sharp focus with its powerful 80 times magnification when paired with a 10 times smartphone lens. It's user-friendly, featuring a dual focus system that helps you quickly spot your target. The large lens provides a wide view, allowing you to take in more of the surrounding scenery. Thanks to optical glass and fully multi-coated lenses, the image you see is crisp and bright, even in less than ideal lighting conditions. This telescope performs well in low light too, as long as there's a bit of illumination on your subject. For easier handling, you can mount it on the included tripod and attach it to your smartphone. This setup lets you capture steady photos or videos of your observations. It's perfect for various outdoor activities like stargazing, hiking, or watching sports events. Built to last, the telescope has a non-slip rubber exterior for a secure grip. You can adjust the eyepiece for comfort, and it's easy to focus with just one hand. Whether you're passionate about nature, sports, or simply exploring, this telescope helps you discover the world's details in a whole new way. So that concludes our list of 10 best travel gadgets you must have. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.